When it comes to diagnosing breast cancer, core biopsy is the gold standard of care. It's fast, efficient, and minimally invasive. Unfortunately, specimen processing can be complicated and time-consuming, resulting in wasted time and patient discomfort.
We were required to hold one of our other mammography rooms so that we would have that machine available to image the specimen during the procedure. It caused inefficiencies in our workflow outside of the biopsy because we normally have a very full schedule in our other rooms.
If you're doing the biopsy with stereotactic guidance, there's always a little bit of a question of whether you are in the exact spot that you need to be sampling the appropriate area.
CoreVision from Bioptx is a dedicated core biopsy specimen imaging system that can save you valuable time and resources and improve patient comfort and satisfaction.
Hands down, greater efficiency in our workflow because we can almost instantaneously get the image of our core specimen, make decisions about what else we do or do not need to do.
All you need to do is place the cores directly into the custom tray, place the tray in the cassette drawer, and push the X-ray button. Within seconds, a high-quality image will let you see whether sufficient samples have been submitted and pinpoint which of the cores have microcalcifications that require pathological examination. CoreVision has a detector with a 5 by 10 centimeter field of view and a 1.4 times magnification, a perfect combination for core specimen imaging in a single image.
And that really helps to be able to see even the tiniest calcifications, and I really feel very confident that I'm either seeing or not seeing what I need to just based on the Bioptx images.
The resolution is extremely good, so we're typically able to decide right then and there if what we need is present.
And it's also very easy then for our mammography techs to just transfer those images from the Bioptx unit to our workstations, so we can subsequently review those images there, make any annotations on the core specimen images for our pathologists, and complete everything on our workstation.
Several invaluable features make the CoreVision system the gold standard of core imaging. The automatic exposure control and auto-calibration features allow quick and easy operation at the touch of a single button. The internal high chamber yields a longer source-to-image distance, resulting in outstanding image sharpness edge to edge. The cassette handling drawer ensures that the cores are consistently placed in the center of the detector with minimal handling. And the image is enhanced automatically, making additional operator manipulations unnecessary. All these features allow for the best image quality in the industry.
I feel that I'm able to see the sometimes very tiny faint calcifications in the core samples on the Bioptx unit even better than I can on our mammography viewing workstations, which have very high resolution monitors.
Patient information is uploaded easily from the scheduling work list on the PACS. Bioptx CoreVision can archive over 40,000 images internally, offering a convenient backup storage, while all images can be uploaded to the PACS for shared review and archiving. Why is the Bioptx CoreVision so popular among mammography facilities throughout the country? One of the reasons is that we are the only specimen imaging company that designed and manufactures its key component, the detector, in our own high-tech factory in Tucson, Arizona. This close control allows us to achieve the highest image quality, so that we can proudly stand behind every unit that we will place into your hands. Call us. We want to show you how much time Bioptx CoreVision can save you with the convenience and image quality that are the best in the industry.
We feel that we're probably saving anywhere from 5 to 10, possibly 15 minutes by having our CoreVision unit in the room for specimen radiography.
Hands down, greater efficiency in our workflow because we can almost instantaneously get the image of our core specimen, make decisions about what else we do or do not need to do.